Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Deva Devina, but people usually call me Deva. I'm a student of English education at the University of Mataram. My student ID number is E1D025113. I come from Bima, West Nusa Tenggara. I have a little family. I have three older brothers. My family is very important to me, but now I live far from my family because I study at the University of Mataram. Now, I would like to talk about my daily routine. Every morning, I wake up and get ready for class. I go to campus and study. I usually have class in the morning. During the class, I listen my lecture and different subject. And then after class, I usually go home and take a rest because I often feel tired after the class. But sometimes I have a meeting for an organization or another activities. I also like to hang out with my friends when I have free time. And then in the evening, I usually do assignment and study for the next class. Sometimes I playing the guitar and listen to music when I want to relax. Okay. My university experience has been very interesting because I met many new people and I learned many new subjects, especially English. I learned grammar, vocabulary, listening, speaking. Sometimes the listen are easy, but sometimes the lessons are difficult for me. Besides studying, I join an organization and social activity. Sometimes I feel tired, but I think these activities is important for me because this activity helped me to improve my communication skill and how to work other people. I study English because I want to speak English well. I want to talk to people from different countries. I want to be an English teacher in the future. I want to help other people learn English. I also think English is important for my future. It can help me in my studies and my future job. Learning English is not always easy for me. Sometimes I feel tired, nervous, but I know I need to keep learning and practicing. So now I try to practice every day. Oh yeah, besides that, I think people who can speak English are cool. So I want to be one of them. Now, I want to talk about my strengths and weaknesses in English. I think my strength is speaking. I like speaking and practicing English with other people. However, my biggest problem are vocabulary and listening. Sometimes I know the words, but I forget them when I speak. I also find listening difficult because sometimes people speak too fast. One interesting thing I learned is about different cultures. I learned that people from different countries can have different ways of living and communicating. I think it is interesting because we can learn about other people and their cultures. For me, learning English is not only about learning grammar or vocabulary, it also helped me can understand and respect other people. Alright, my goal is to speak English more fluently and confidently. I want to improve my vocabulary and listening skill. Then I want to speak English without feeling too nervous. So, in the future, I hope I can speak English well and become a good English teacher. Alright, that's all about me and my English learning journey. Thank you for listening to my story. See you next time. Goodbye.